another house update, you guys. So me and my friends had installed this beautiful chandelier. It came from Wayfair. I will link this down below and show you how it looks with the light on. It's really beautiful. And we got our dining room table delivered today. I'm not keeping this here. I just put that there. It's too small, as you guys can see, but this is what our dining room table is looking like. And this is also the chandelier. Going to put a nice picture on that wall. Maybe a breakfast bar in the back. Who knows? You know, who knows? Figure it out. We'll figure it out. But this is another update, you guys. So counting down, less than 30 days in the home. And yeah. We also had got our couch delivered, our sectional, and it came with these pillows. I wasn't expecting that. It was kind of new. We also had this coffee table that delivered a few weeks ago, but this is the sectional so far. This is this beautiful cabinet, accent cabinet that we got, but I just love it because it's so much different kind of wood tones in there, and it brings out everything else in the house. Our bookshelves, that's not really decorated, so I need help with that. Of course, our TV, but I just love the plants. One time for the plants, you guys. But this is not permanent. I just put that there. That's probably permanent. This is most likely permanent. That globe's probably permanent. Not too sure yet. That tree is probably permanent. Just need to get something on the bottom of the tree. But this is how it's looking. So you guys can already tell the theme of the house is farmhouse theme. But I am loving this. And this couch is so comfortable, you guys. But after I jumped on it, I had to spray it with Scotch Guard. Because I just want to make sure, you know, this couch is protected. Even though we already got the like protection plan from Ashley's. Still, I want to make sure it's secured, you know? This is the Scotch Guard that I had put on the couch. I sprayed at least 2 cans, 2 to 3 coats all over it. So I'm not sitting on it right now. I'm waiting for it to dry and making sure it's completely protected, okay? Comment down below if you guys use this on your furniture or if you recommend something else that's probably stronger than this. Let me know. Another update, you guys. I finally have a drawer organizer. Like, I had got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I love it because it extends. Because I needed something that was big enough to fit this entire drawer, and this was basically perfect. It's still some space right here. So if I wanted to store something there, I'm pretty sure I can. But this is perfect. I don't really have much, and these are like cheap silverware for now. But it's so perfect, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, organization is the key. And also, I got these 2 babies from Ross. This one was $2.99, and I believe this one was $3.99. I really wish they had a third one, but I'm pretty sure somebody already brought that third one. So I might have to find this on Amazon or something. I'm pretty sure it's there. I might not keep this here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I'm not sure. Might use this as a nice vase. I don't know. Haven't come to my mind yet, but it's going to stay here for now. But most likely not, because I don't like clutter. But this I might keep here. Might put in the pantry. I'm not sure. So still getting used to this organization thing and what works for me. But you know what? It's I'm a woman. It's my prerogative to change my mind, and I will. So yeah, but I just love it for now. I think it was a nice, cute little buy. Huh? what today is? It's our anniversary. So it's me and Bae's anniversary. We're going to Orlando for a comedy show. And this is the makeup for the evening. Again, you guys want to update makeup routine? Comment down below. I didn't do my lips. I never do my lips until I leave the door. I don't know why. But this is my outfit for the evening. Let's see if I can show you this. Cute dress. Love it. Well, yep. About to have a real good night. Me and Bae date night. Bae, you look like a snack. Maybe a meal. A whole full course. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Hold on, wait a minute. I feel like we're in the goddamn Disney Channel game. Look at this shit. Yep. This shit is beautiful.
Yep. This is the Walt Disney Theater. I don't think Walt Disney ever been in here with this much niggas though. He might be surprised.
We're Walt Disney shit.
What in the world is going on?
Sir, could you please sit down and stop throwing up gang signs? I am not affiliated with that gang. I don't know them niggas.
What that nigga right now? That nigga said, peanut nigga, y'all.
That's what it is. I know you throwing up gang signs with running shoes on. Fuck y'all niggas.
Look at Dad right there with the mullet. Look at Dad right now. He like, yeah, okay, you got him. I'll just sit right here. There we go.
Me and Bae just came back from the comedy show. It was okay. You know, I think it was DJ Fly and like some of the Wild 'N Out cast, but something happened today. She proposed, you guys. Like, I am completely speechless right now. Like, we've been together for like 4 years today, and she asked me to marry her. I'm never speechless. I'm gonna be her wife, you guys. I'm gonna be just like that meme that every time, you know, I'm gonna do anything to show off that ring. Like, you know, my baby did that. I can't stop staring at it. Finally, forever to go, she finally popped the question. How do you feel, babe?
Lucky.
Guys, she wants to marry me.
She said yes.
I did. I said yes. You guys see the ring? So I'm about to take this makeup off and enjoy the rest of our night. So, babe, before I go, they want to know, because I know they want to know, what make you want to marry me? How did you know you want to marry me?
What makes me want to do everything about you? Like, for real, I don't know, like, it's too much to even say. Like, even when I was thinking about it, because, I mean, I had the ring for a minute, for 2 weeks. So, yeah. Through all of our little bickering, through them 2 weeks.
We bickered, okay?
You feel me? I was like, yeah, I still want to marry her with big head ass.
First on my head ain't big.
It's a little round.
No, it's
lollipop head.
Alright, you guys, so I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Peace. Bye, 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 bye.